Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, guys, my name is Sernila. Now I'm in Indomaret Benai. Tonight I will buy snack and other items to accompany me to stay up late. Your guys are curious about what I'm going to buy. Come follow me and enjoy for watching. In this Indomaret, you will definitely find a variety of food, drink, and other necessities such as rice, sugar, milk, flour. There is even learning equipment. And you don't need to worry. This in Indomaret really provide what you need, and don't forget to follow me. Okay, beforehand, I want to take a grocery basket to make it easier for me to carry the groceries I buy. And then I want to buy a drink. Yes, I like the coffee. This coffee drink costs only 3,000. Yes, 3,000. Okay, next, I want to buy bread for Hunger's Delight. Hey, kidding? This bread costs 4,500. While looking at my look, I found a snack whose packing was very attractive, and I want to buy it too. The snack was still in the form of chocolate, which cost 8,900. Ah, okay. Then I bought the chitato, my favorite food, which cost 7,500. This food is very delicious. If you don't believe, you can try it. And after that, I bought a cake, a complicated snack that only product a lot of waste. The price of this stuff is 15,500. And lastly, I want to buy a hand body because lately my skin is too dry. Before finding it, I saw the baby protection. Of course, I wouldn't buy it. And around that, I found the hand body I wanted. The hand body price was 23,500. Here's my dry skin solution. Then I went to the cashier to pay for my grocery earlier, and I'm salute the cashier sister because she was very friendly. Ooh, friendly. Yes, of course. He kept counting my purchases until the groceries that had to be counted ran out. After that, I paid for the groceries that the cashier sister had counted, and while waiting for the change, after everything is finished, I want to go home again and will enjoy what about for those of you who have watched this video. Thanks.